Hi, I'm Brianne.
And I'm Lizzie.
We just got a package from a new nail polish company that we've learned about. We're really excited. It's ILNP Cosmetics, and it came in this black box. And I know you can't. Tape. Yeah, it's hard to see, but the tape is actually like iridescent and has their name on it, which is cool. So we went ahead and cut it so it'd be a little easier. So here we go. Ooh. Oh, look at this. This is cool how they've packaged it in tissue paper.
The tissue paper is pretty.
There's even another whole thing of tissue paper. And more. So, let's show you what we got.
I won't open this side.
Okay.
So, I'm going to start with this one. This one's called Nightlight. And it's like a purple with iridescent in it. I really like this one. To me, it looks like a galaxy. I'm just gonna set that one there. Your turn.
Alright, so I have one called Riley. And, ooh, it's like this really pretty pink, and I'm hoping those sparkles are showing through. They're like real fine.
And then I'm gonna open this one because it looks like super rainbow. This one's called Confetti. No wonder I like it so much. And I just opened it. Oh, that's pretty.
It's like multicolored rainbow.
Yeah, it's like, why does it kind of remind me of ice cream sherbet? A rainbow sherbet ice cream.
I'm not positive, but I think this one's a topper, which means it's like clear with the sparkles. So that'll be really exciting.
Yeah.
And I really like these little lids because they're like rubbery. So like they won't slip out of your hand and stuff.
Also be easier to open.
But this was the Nightlight, and
yeah, this one is definitely clear. Oh, I can smell that. This one's definitely clear.
Okay. This next one I have is called Sandy Baby. Makes me want to get ready for the beach. And it actually looks kind of like the beach, but with like...
It looks like the sand, but with glitter.
Well, and it has a little bit of a pinky tint to it. But I have a feeling this might be one of my go-tos, because I like having like neutral colored nail polish on a lot of times, but this would do that, but yet give me a little bit of a shine.
Yeah, and then I'm the one who likes doing really bright colors. Then we're gonna do this one called Hide and Seek. It's like a blue sparkle. I don't care about the box. Oh, that's really pretty.
Ooh.
Wait, this one looks more green than it does blue. In the packaging, it looked green. And in the packaging, it looked blue, but it looks more green out of the packaging.
It is more green. I think that's going to be pretty with Christmas coming up.
Yeah. We've been needing more green, too.
Alright, the next one I have is called Surfboard. Apparently, I'm ready for summer over here. And it definitely looks like the ocean water. Yeah, look at all those sparkles. And shine.
I love sparkles. Okay, let's open this one. This one is called Carolina. This one's awesome. It's like kind of like this one and this one combined.
Ooh, you're right. It's like a...
But like with more iridescent glitter.
Yeah, it is definitely more iridescent. It has kind of a like rosy gold copper tone to it.
It's like that makes it more copper.
Yes, which we all know I'm going to love because copper is one of my favorites. All right, my next one is Valerie.
Ooh, that's one I like.
This is the one that she was so excited about buying online. And this one is purple, but the glitter in this looks more rainbowy-ish. And
holographic.
And it looks like a little bit like a bigger flake compared to
the other ones.
Some of these other ones, which are more finer.
This is my last one, which is called
Alexander.
It's like a darker toned, it's kind of grayish, but it's really pretty.
Ooh.
If I would do one of these, I would probably mix it with like...
That'll be pretty for Halloween.
Yeah.
With some orange.
For this,
it's like a gunmetal.
Yeah, for this, I would probably do with like a purple or orange for Halloween.
Alright, my last one is Wallflower. It is like a lilac-y purple.
Pretty. I like that one.
And it has more of that smaller glitter shine to it again.
Fine, but it's really pretty.
So we got a lot of colors, didn't we?
We have more like chunkier glitters.
And
like
finer.
Really fine.
And like this one, that's more just like
shine.
Like, yeah, that kind of moves compared to the light. Like, look,
yeah,
see,
like a
kind of goes
blue.
Blue purple in the light. I don't know if you can see that on there, but
I don't know if you can see
that'd be really, that's really cool. So
my favorite out of all of these is kind of hard because I like them all, but I think I'd probably choose this one. Or this purpley color.
I don't know. I like them all.
Yeah.
But this Caroline, and it'd have to come down between these two. The Sandy Baby or the Riley would probably be my top three. But they're all pretty. Like this one, this green,
yeah, because it's our first green.
I can't wait to use for like St. Patrick's Day and Christmas and
it's really our
stuff
first
like that.
green. Down below, which one is your favorite out of all of them?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below.
Bye. Subscribe to see more videos and hit the bell.